Hey guys, it's Dawn again and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick video on how I organize my not so tiny, not so large walk-in closet. It's pretty average, but I wanted to kind of show you the before and after and also the process of how I turn this hot mess of a closet into something that's a little bit more neat and tidy. Because you know, when I get busy with things, I get a little unorganized. So this is just me trying to get things back on track. What I love about closet organization is that it allows you to be creative. You get to create a space that's unique to your needs and your lifestyle. It doesn't have to make sense to anyone else. The goal is to have a space where every item has a designated location. So here I'm just removing everything from the closet that was either on the floor, out of place, basically that wasn't where it needed to be. I also have a trash can and a laundry bin next to me. As I sort through this pile of God knows what, I'm able to put things where they need to be. So any of the dirty clothes goes in the laundry bin and trash goes in the trash can, and then any clean clothes, because there's a mixture of everything in there, give it a little sniff test, I fold it up or I put it on a hanger. So also I'll have a stack of hangers that I bring out with me as well. So these are the hangers that I use, the black no-slip velvet hangers. I get them from Amazon, set of 50. They look nice, they do the job, and I like them. This rack is to air dry my clothes. I try to air dry as many of my clothes as possible to preserve their quality. However, I tend to be a little bit lazy and leave my clothes on there longer than they need to be. Now that the clean clothes are on hangers, I then place them back into the closet. As I place them in the closet, I go through and remove any unused hangers and put them all together in the front of my closet. Just so as I go and find new items to hang up, I don't have to go search for hangers. They're all in one place. So I like to sit on the floor and be comfortable when I clean my closet, and it's better when the floor is clean. So a nice quick vacuum does the trick. In this area, I have a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Who knows? I also keep my wigs in these bags. Oh my goodness, they're so convenient. I love these. So I just can go in, dig around whatever wig I need for the day. So this is what those storage bags look like. They're shoe storage bags, but I use them for everything. They have a clear panel in the front. I got them from Amazon. I think they came in a pack of like 10 or so. This basket has everything I need to do my nails. I do my own gel nails to save my coin. I'm a little bit of a cheapskate like that, but I can just grab this basket and it has everything in my polishes, the UV lamp, and I am all set. By the way, please do not look at my nails in this video because they are not done. One of the first things I will point out is this is a typical apartment style walk-in closet. So I've made a few adjustments, like taking the railing out and adding 3 Billy bookcases from IKEA. This allowed for more storage for my shoes and handbags and some other bits and bobs, but it's really useful, and as long as you can return the apartment back to its original condition, then definitely customize as much as you can to make it your own. Here I'm just working my way around the closet. This area, it looks random because it is random. I have a little bit of mix of everything in there. One of the things I have here are my belts. Now this is like an ornament box. Now you guys know I repurpose everything, and it's a perfect organizer for your belts. I just roll it up and stick them in there, and I've been using this for quite some time now. I love it. Hanging up some of the clothes that I tried on, didn't like, and didn't hang them back up. I was being lazy. So here I'm just putting those away. This white bag, I don't know if you saw my previous video on what's in my work travel bag, but I talk about having these little mesh bags where I store everything in so I don't have to pack every time I travel, because I travel quite frequently for work. But anyway, in the video, I talk about I have a bag in my closet where when I unpack, I unload all of those bags in that bag, and that's the bag, Yonak bag. I think it's a shoe store in Paris that I got a pair of shoes. Loved the bag. It was really good quality, so I kept it, as I do. So here I'm just trying to organize and making everything look neat. and put away. I'm going to stuff that bag and put that away as well. So this is where I store my makeup. I'll just remove this drawer and take it to the restroom with me to do my makeup there. I also store hair accessories, bobby pins, clips, and all of that. Man, you guys, I feel like this closet has more than 4 walls, but I can't stop now. I have to keep going. I'm halfway through, I think. At the top of my closet, I have these 3 large storage bins. Inside this one, I have like makeup bags, those little travel cases. Here are some of those packing cubes that are I love packing cubes just to organize my suitcase when I'm traveling. So I will put all of those in there. But yeah, everything goes in there. So whenever I need a bag, I know exactly where to go to find it. So in this bin, I took it down just to show that it's nothing but sheets in there. I didn't really need to organize anything, but I was struggling trying to put that thing back. Some things you just leave alone until you absolutely need it, and that was one of them. I worked up a sweat. So this is where I keep my handbags and my shoes. I try to keep things on this shelf to a minimum. So a one thing in, one thing out policy. I struggle with that sometimes, but I think that's the best, especially when you're living in a small space. Please excuse the light. It's not the easiest filming in a closet, I realize. So I've taken an empty laundry bin and just gone around my apartment and collected all of my shoes that need to go in my closet. So now I am just putting them up. One thing that I learned is when you do put your shoes in opposite directions, it saves on space. As you see here, you're able to add more shoes per shelf, which is amazing. For storing my boots to have them stay upright, I cut pieces of cardboard and I will just fold them and insert them inside the leg part of the boot so they'll stand up rather than having, the top of the boots kind of fall on each other. I think it's more neat that way. So here's the end result. I hope you guys found this video helpful and maybe learned a trick or two. And I hope that your 2019 is filled with great adventures, lots of happiness and love, and that it's your best year yet. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos. I'm excited about 2019 and I hope you guys are as well. Please comment, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more. I look forward to making more videos. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.